Everyone wants youthful, smooth, wrinkle-free skin, but most people only think about anti-aging once fine lines appear, instead of preventing them from forming in the first place. The truth is, you can naturally train your skin to stay firm, radiant, and healthy without spending a fortune on creams, injections, or chemical treatments. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon, because this channel is all about science-backed, natural ways to slow aging, nourish your skin, and maintain that youthful glow from the inside out. Wrinkles aren't just about aging. They're a sign of collagen breakdown, the protein that keeps your skin plump, elastic, and smooth. Stress, sun exposure, poor diet, and dehydration all speed up this breakdown, making fine lines and sagging skin appear sooner. The first step is feeding your skin the nutrients it needs. Vitamin C-rich fruits like kiwi, oranges, guavas, and strawberries are essential because vitamin C stimulates collagen production, helping your skin repair and maintain elasticity. Eating these regularly strengthens the underlying structure of your skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Next, include healthy fats from avocados, almonds, walnuts, and olive oil in your diet. These fats nourish your skin, strengthen its natural barrier, lock in moisture, and help absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A and E, which repair damaged skin cells and protect against premature aging. Hydration is equally important. Drink water and eat water-rich foods like cucumber, watermelon, and celery to keep skin cells plump and flush out toxins that can dull your complexion. Antioxidants are also crucial for preventing wrinkles. Blueberries, pomegranates, and green tea neutralize free radicals, the unstable molecules that damage collagen and elastin fibers, protecting your skin from environmental stress, pollution, and sun damage. Minerals like zinc and copper found in pumpkin seeds, lentils, and dark chocolate work together with vitamin C to support collagen synthesis and maintain firmness. Lifestyle habits are equally important. Limit sun exposure, wear sunscreen daily, even indoors, and prioritize quality sleep because growth hormones released during sleep help repair tissues and regenerate collagen. Combining these steps consistently supports your skin from the inside out, helping it stay firmer, smoother, and naturally radiant over time without relying on expensive or harsh treatments. If you're ready to reduce wrinkles and restore your youthful glow naturally, hit subscribe and comment, "I'm aging in reverse," to join our community. Remember, true anti-aging starts with nourishing, protecting, and repairing your skin at a cellular level every single day.